Pledge of Loyalty. We solemnly promise to be faithful to Christ our Savior and to be loyal to the country that has given us a priceless heritage and to be true to the highest ideals of our alma mater. As graduates of Asian Pacific Christian School Incorporated, we pledge to our alma mater our deepest loyalty. As we move from the milestones to fields of constructive and creative services, to others we invoke the Spirit of Him who came not to be ministered, but to minister unto others, even to the point of giving His own life for them. So God, help us to keep this pledge of loyalty.